Have you ever wished you had more time? More hours in a day? More years in your life? What if I told you there was once a man who actually tried to buy time, and the price he paid was far greater than he ever imagined? So let's start the interesting story. In a busy city, there lived a young businessman named Daniel. He was rich, ambitious, and always in a hurry. One rainy evening, while searching for a shortcut home, he discovered a narrow alley with a strange little shop. Above the door, a sign read, "Time for sale." Confused, Daniel entered. Inside, an old man with silver hair greeted him. "Welcome," the shopkeeper said softly. "I sell what people need most. I sell time." Daniel laughed. "You can't sell time." The old man simply smiled and placed a small hourglass on the counter. "This is not magic," he said. "You can buy 10 extra years of life, but it comes with a price." Intrigued, Daniel asked, "What's the price?" The shopkeeper leaned forward and whispered, "You will pay, not with money, but with pieces of your health, your joy, and the people you love." Daniel hesitated, but his greed was stronger. He wanted to live longer, achieve more, and control his destiny. So he made the deal. At first, life seemed perfect. Daniel had more years ahead of him. He expanded his business, made more money, and traveled the world. But slowly, he noticed something strange. His laughter became rare. His body grew weaker, faster than before. Friends stopped visiting him, and his family drifted away. One night, staring into the mirror, he saw a man with tired eyes, surrounded by wealth, but utterly alone. He realized he had bought years, but lost the very moments that made life worth living. Desperate, Daniel returned to the mysterious shop. But the alley was gone. The shop had vanished. Only an old broken clock lay on the ground, ticking endlessly. Daniel finally understood the truth. Time was never meant to be bought. It was meant to be valued. Every second he wasted chasing more was a second he could never get back. This story teaches us something powerful. Time is the one currency we all share. Rich or poor, young or old, we all get 24 hours a day. The question is not, how much time do we have? The real question is, how wisely do we use the time we are given? So don't wait to live. Don't wait to love. Don't wait to dream. Because in the end, the greatest wealth is not in years, but in moments. Star